How to set up your stream avatar so you can multi-stream with it. My name is Trui and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. We're gonna go to login details here on the left. And then here, instead of like streaming platforms Twitch, we're gonna click on allow multiple platforms right here. Add this platform. Then we're gonna go to YouTube. Now it's red. We're gonna add this platform. And we can do that with anything we want in here. So I've done YouTube and Twitch right now. So we can see for Twitch, it is connected for me. What we need to do for that is we need to click on login with platform and we need to authorize it. So just click on authorize. Authorize. If you have made a bot account, so for example, you made an account like I did called Trui Bot, which basically is a new Twitch account. What you can do is log out on your Twitch and log out on this bot account and then also perform the same task with this button on your bot account. Make sure that bot account is logged in on your default browser when you do this. And then after that, log back into your normal account to be able to use your normal account again for streaming purposes and for watching purposes. We can check if everything worked by clicking on this test button. And it works. We're gonna go to YouTube now. We're already set, we allow this one. And we're gonna authorize it. Platform login. I'm gonna click on my email. And then I'm gonna click on Trui. And then I will click on continue, which it says here on the right. This is cancel, this is continue. It says it for me in Dutch, but it will say it in English for you or in your native language. Now we can shut down this page and we will see that it has a success. OAuth successful. If you do not get this the first time, just try it again and you will see it the next time. Then we will again have this little tick behind it. For YouTube, we can do the same thing. We can make an account, a YouTube account, as a bot account. Make that a moderator on a YouTube channel. And we can have that log in on this one. So you do the same process, but then you log in with the bot account and you will get a tick behind here. If we disconnect this, we're disconnecting like this. Now YouTube will not be part of the service anymore. It will not be connected to YouTube. Now it is connected to YouTube. We can do this with Twitch, YouTube, DLive, Facebook, Trovo, Glim Mesh, Custom, so anything custom, Kick, and TikTok. It basically works all the same. So for TikTok, we're just gonna click on this again. We're gonna log in with a TikTok. We cannot do a bot account on TikTok because TikTok just doesn't allow that. Again, if you want to add TikTok, you would just click on add this platform. If you want to reverse anything, what you can do is you can unclick this. Now this platform is not connected anymore. Now this platform is not connected anymore. And now basically only Twitch is connected. What we can do, allow multiple platforms. We can untick that when it's on Twitch. And now only Twitch is connected. So if you ever want to go back to only one thing, this is the way to reverse all the changes back to one. We can see that YouTube is still connected, but if we set it on Twitch, it will be connecting to your Twitch instead. That is actually how simple it is to connect your stream avatars to multiple platforms. If you want to see some more stream avatars videos, I do have a bunch of them here on the channel. So make sure to check out this playlist. Make sure to subscribe right here as well to not miss anything. And YouTube thinks you're gonna like this video, so maybe you are. I'll see you there.